number of classes that we are using. So the number of classes that we are using and how much data they contain. So we are checking for the data imbalancing here. Here you can see that we are using around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 classes with data around 140, 41 in each classes. So there is no data imbalance. Now let's move forward. We will find out the number of classes that we'll be working on and store it into a variable, as we will be using it later in the model architecture. So as I already told you, we are working on 6 classes, 6 species of birds. Next we will check the shape of image in a single image. So here you can see that we have already visualized that image above, and it was showing us 224 by 224, and as it is a colored image, so channel will be 3, that is the RGB. Now let us check the shape of the image labels, which will be equal to the number of images that we will be working on. So here we can see that there are 811 labels. So we will be working on 811, that is 811 unique images for different species of birds. Now let us test train split our data using the sklearn. Here you can see that we are splitting our data into xtrain xtest and ytrain ytest using the train test split, and we are passing the image list and label list as the data to be splitted. We are setting the size as 0.2, so it will split into 80% for training and 20% for testing. Let's run this and split our data. So after this is one of the most important step. So here we are normalizing the images by dividing them with 255, and also we are reshaping the xtrain and xtest. So let's run this and normalize our images and also reshape our images in the xtrain and xtest. So after this, we will be label binarizing our data, that is one hot encoding our Y data. So one hot encoding is important because it will stop our data from getting prioritized, stop our classes from getting prioritized. We will also print the sequence of the classes. So let's run this cell. So here you can see that these are the classes that we will be working on. These are American goldfinch, barn owl, carmine bee-eater, downy woodpecker, emperor penguin and flamingo. These are the 6 classes of the birds, 6 bird species that we will be working on. Now the next important step is to split the data, the training data, into validation data and training data. So we are splitting the xtrain xval, ytrain yval using train test split, and we are passing the xtrain and ytrain data here. Similarly, the test size is same, that is 80-20%.